You're never gonna know till you've met. This young boy, Richie Rich is his name. He's written up in the Rich Hall of Fame. His bank account is as rich as his name. That's Rich, Richie Rich.
The Richie Rich Show.
Golly, Richie, a museum all your own. Neato.
This is our solid gold diamond saurus. And this is our solid silver replica of the Red Baron spider plane exhibit. And this one is my father's favorite possession. A glass cubicle with a single stamp. The world's rarest stamp.
Gosh, oh gee, Richie, be careful. It must be worth millions. It blew out the window! Outside, quick! We've got to get that stamp!
Yoo-hoo! Could you mail these out-of-town letters for me, Irona?
Yes, ma'am.
Please hurry, Irona. We don't want to miss the mail pickup.
All right, Mrs. Rich. Immediately, if not sooner. Uh-oh. There's no stamp on this letter to China. Oh, what luck. A stamp. Golly, Richie, it's like looking for a stamp in a haystack.
I know, but I've got to find it before my dad gets home from the office.
Hi, you kids looking for something?
We sure are, Irona. A stamp that blew out the window.
Oh, that one. That must be the stamp I just mailed to China.
China? Oh, no. That was Dad's $1 million stamp. I've got to get to the mailbox. Too late. Hurry, we've got to get a car and beat that truck to the post office. Good try, good buddy. But we need a real chauffeur. And here comes Bascom.
Hey, crazy dog! Give me back my hat and my car.
Oh, it was my fault. I want to help.
One of those mile-long freight trains. We'll never make it in time now.
Irona to the rescue. Oh, baby. Oh, my gosh. Irona's as strong as 100 superheroes. You ain't seen nothing yet. Full speed ahead. Yowie, look! Bye-bye.
Faster, Bascom. We're running out of time. We won't hurt anything, Mr. Jackson. We're just looking for my mother's letter to China.
The mail to China already left. It's going on Flight 7 of Rich Airways.
Let's go!
It's never too late when Irona's around and her Richie has a problem. Hold tight, stowaway. I'm gonna stop that plane.
Oh, no!
Gotcha. Sorry about missing the plane, Master Richie.
Gosh, Dad'll be home any second. How will I ever explain losing his $1 million stamp?
Hi, Richie. What's new?
Dad, I lost... I better answer the door.
Is this the home of Mrs. Regina Rich?
Yes.
Well, we're returning this letter she mailed. The Postal Service does not accept foreign stamps.
Thanks. I'll remail it later with a real stamp.
Cheap, cheap, cheap. Trying to mail a letter to China with a worthless stamp.
What were you saying that you lost, Richie?
I lost your $1 million stamp, but I cannot tell a lie, Dad. The U.S. government rescued your stamp, and Irona rescued $.
We now continue with the Richie Rich Show.
Gee, I'll never get a suntan when it's raining all the time. And my sun lamp is broken. What'll I do?
If I may make a suggestion, Master Richie.
If I can't get a suntan, I'll settle for a gold tan.
Oh, just wait till I show Mr. Rich my latest invention. Oh, of course I'd better check it out before I show him. My gold nugget shrinker works! Oh, why, Mr. Rich will be able to carry tons of gold around in one pocket.
Hi, Professor Keenbeat. Mom wants to know if you can invent something to help Precious.
Yeah, well, of course, Master Richie. Anything Mrs. Rich wants. Oh, by the way, what is that?
Why, this is Precious, Mom's cat.
Of course. How absent-minded of me. Now, what seems to be the kitty's problem?
That's it. She's too high-strung. She never takes naps. She always wants to chase mice.
Oh, so I see. Well, I'll give it a try.
Thanks, Professor.
Now, let's see. What was I doing? What's this strange-looking machine? Well, now, who would leave a gold nugget where someone could trip on it? Well, someone could get hurt. That's odd. All of a sudden, all of my problems seem to be small ones. Oops, except for that one. Whoops! Oh, when did I invent a giant cat? Yikes! Oh, so strange. I don't recall ever seeing this room in the Rich Mansion. How quaint. Furnished in early mouse hole. Oh, they must have big mice around here. Oh, now let's see. Where was I? Oh, yes, running for my life. One thing about the Rich family, they certainly have interesting goldfish. Did I ever tell you about the time I invented the toupee? Oh, that was a hair-raising experience. And then there was the time... Oops. We'll have to carry this conversation on later sometime. Right now... Oh, I just remembered something. I can't fly! My My, what a nice little kitty. My, you look tired, too.
Hi, Professor Keenbean. I'm back. He did it. He got Precious to take a nap. He's a genius. I don't know how he does it.
I won't tell if you won't.
Gosh, how are we going to play without a baseball diamond?
Let's ask Richie Rich for one. He never lets us down.
Do you have a diamond we could use? Sure. How big? About 90 feet wide and 90 feet long. No problem. You got it. We didn't have one diamond big enough, so we tied two together. Hi, this is Richie Rich. Don't miss my zillion-dollar adventure. It's full of some super surprises. Coming up next.
We now continue with the Richie Rich Show.
Gosh, Richie, are we really over a sunken treasure ship?
It's right under us, Gloria, and it's full of real gold. Let's go.
Uh-oh, crash in pool.
Sorry to interrupt your treasure hunt, Master Richie, but your friend Jeff and his mother need your help immediately.
Come on. Hi, Jeff. What's so urgent?
My father's vanished. He's an officer on the aircraft carrier Bunker Hill, and we haven't heard from him in weeks.
I'll check into it right now, Jeff.
The White House, may I help you?
Richie Rich here. Is the president in?
One moment, please.
Hello, Richie. What's up?
My friend's father was on the aircraft carrier Bunker Hill, Mr. President.
I know. He vanished. It's top secret, Richie. And one of our aircraft carriers is missing.
Gloria and I are going to help search for the missing carrier, Professor Keenbean. And we could sure use some of your special gadgets.
Gadgets. My Beat the Bad Guys all-purpose gadget kit ought to come in handy. If I can remember how to open it. Oh, yes, my ballpoint invisible ray. Miraculous invention. Whoops. Oh, lucky for us, it wears off in an hour.
Thanks, Professor Keenbean. We'll use my yacht to find the missing carrier and your kid to help rescue it. probably searching for the Bunker Hill, just like we are.
Willikers, look!
Wow! Now 2 of our aircraft carriers are missing.
Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do, Richie?
We're gonna follow those Navy nappers.
Those nasty helicopters have stopped over that deserted island.
Oh my gosh! It's incredible! The island's a fake, a hollow shell. And that carrier in there is the Bunker Hill. We've got to get inside that island. I'll use the Keen Bean expandable chainsaw to cut our way inside. Don't! Oh no! Good old Dollar did it again!
Richie Rich, you're my prisoner and no match for who will soon control the sea, Admiral Hook. Yeah, lock him in me brig.
Oh golly, oh gee, what are we gonna do, Richie?
We're doomed! We're not doomed yet. I've still got my long-range emergency beeper.
Uh-oh, Richie's in trouble. I'm coming, Richie. Go ahead, Big Mouth. Fight.
Now to cut our way out with the Keen Bean laser sword.
Prepare to launch evil craft. Target for today, me buccos. Capture our super tankers bringing precious oil to America.
We've got to figure a way to stop them.
Sorry to interrupt your adventure, Master Richie, but I thought you might need a change of clothing. Jolly clever, these electric winches.
That's it. An electric winch is gonna hook the crook named Hook. I've got a plan to stop him. If we can get to my yacht before Hook lowers his island.
Leave it to me, Richie. You want to get to your yacht? Irona will get you to your yacht. Golly, do something, Richie. They're lowering the roof.
Hold tight. I'm switching to hydrofoils. Phew. That was close. Now all we need is a super tanker to lower Hook to us and capture him.
A super tanker? How are you gonna get a zillion-dollar super tanker?
Watch. I'll swap you even. My $50 million yacht for your $40 million super tanker.
No deal, kid.
Okay. I'll throw in this week's allowance.
$100,000. You got yourself a super tanker, kid.
Now that we've got the super bait to lure the super crook, we wait for Hook. And here he comes! The big fish is ready to bite the big bait.
$10 million gallons of stolen oil. Black gold. Mine. Nothing can stop Admiral Hook.
They've cut their engines. Now to take them by surprise. Super tanker, super launch on!
Hey, what's happening? Why are we going down?
Bullseye!
He'll never capture Admiral Hook, Richie Rich.
They're escaping, Richie! Do something!
Roger, and I've got just the something to stop them. And that something is Keen Bean's rocket-powered scuba jets. Okay, everybody, into the drink.
Admiral Hook will never be captured by Richie Rich.
Did I hear someone mention my name?
Richie Rich!
And you, Admiral Hook, are about to end your evil career.
Make one move and I'll pull this remote lever and blow up both the carriers and their crews.
What lever?
Yeah. Every man for himself.
After them!
Ooh, a double slam dunk! Score 4 points for the good guys. Uh-oh, we're out of pocket fuel. And not a gas station for 1,000 miles.
We don't need a gas station. We need a hook to hook Hook by his hook.
Hey, what?
That was neat, Dollar.
Yeah, we got the bad guys. And you got the bad dog.
Gosh, Richie, my mom and I sure thank you for saving my dad.